cow.
This was actually a massive undertaking that probably took me like a month of going back and forth from cleaning the top to deciding if somebody else was gonna install the windows to buying vinyl on the internet and then doing it myself. So super big shout out to 303 Products because I absolutely love them and they were able to clean the mildew off of the top of this Jeep. Let me know if you'd like to see other videos about the Beast, which is here in the background, or what other type of videos you'd like to see on my channel. I do provide automotive education and consulting, so if you need my help, just reach out. My contact information's in the description below.